Hey everybody, I'm Nicole Sauce. You know who that guy is? He doesn't speak. He just makes like ominous gestures. Anyway, I just wanted to give you a look at what's happened here. So we started with a simple counter redo and I wanted to find out why the floor wasn't level. And we found out why. And we ended up redoing everything under the house for 1/3 of the house, also through that door and into that room. This wall had some rot, so we reframed the whole wall. The good news is that my house is made out of cinder blocks on the outside, so the wall was not holding anything up. So it's real easy, like pull it. Well, simple, not easy. It was simple to pull it out and redo joists and redo the framing and insulation and all that. While we were here, my buddy Matt re-envisioned the electrical to have more circuits in the kitchen. I was able to salvage these cabinets. These are upper cabinets. The lower cabinets were pretty much all toast. Well, they were rotten, and I could have put them back in, but by the time we got everything out, I decided to just use restaurant tables, work tables, as counters to save a little bit of money right now so that I can have my buddy Ken Esch make really nice cabinets out of wood in the future. And what has happened budget-wise is all the money I was going to put into this has been eaten up in structural stuff. And so what I'm doing now is getting a functional, awesome kitchen that I can use as my studio kitchen. I have moved the sink to this fictional bar that's not here yet, right? And make it functional, and then I will save money again to get the cabinets I want. And I don't know how long that'll take, but my whole goal here is not to go into debt as part of this project. At the same time, my house smells a whole lot less like a really old library because all the rot has been handled. But I wanted to give an update on this. There have been so many people that have helped with this project. Tactical Redneck has put in days of time, right? Weeks, a couple of weeks. And he's only asked that I feed him, and I have done a semi-okay job of feeding him. Not the best, because it's a little hard to cook right now. The Eversoles, Holler Neighbors, have put in a lot of time. Steve framed that wall. Tracy has helped keep me sane, and she has helped me with lots of dump runs and other stuff. She packed stuff when I realized we had to take all the cabinets off this wall, not just half of them. Nighthawk has been over here. I don't know what he was doing, but I'm sure it was involved in helping with wiring. I wasn't here when he was here. Ken Esch, who redid all the joists and will eventually come back and do some cabinetry work. Carrie Brown helped with demolition and reassembly. Ryan Steva was here for drywall day, and he helped with a lot of the drains. Electrical too. And electrical. So there's been like a huge effort of people helping out. Some for money, some for trade, some because they're just nice. My plan is to have everybody over for a really nice meal once we get the kitchen functional again and Self-Reliance Festival is behind us. But I wanted to just give you an update on where we're at. And where we're at is today we start mudding. And I'm going to primer this floor because I'm not putting my final floor in for the same reason I'm not putting the cabinets in. I'm going to wait till I have more cash in the account.